Hey, it's Ken from Driftwind V-Twin here, and I have the Vance Hines Fuelpack. Today we're talking tuners. I get this question quite often and quite regularly about how the motor company tunes your bike after you put on aftermarket pipes and aftermarket breather. So they charge you $299 basic tune, terrible price, terrible product. What you need is something that you can tune your bike into what style pipe you're getting, what kind of breather you have. I think the best thing out on the market for that right now is called the Fuelpack, and that's from Vance Hines. It's reprogrammable multiple times in multiple ways. It's Bluetooth, so you don't need any wired connections, computers, anything like that to use it. If you ever throw an engine code, it'll read your engine code so you know what's going on with your bike. It as well, number 4, collects data from sensors so you actually know how hot your bike's running, what your battery is running, stuff like that. And 5, and the biggest one is, compared to any other tuner out there on the market, it's a big money saver when you add all those extra things into the mix. When you open this box up, basically what you're going to see is a little box like this, little pin set up like that. Okay, that's great. All you have to do, pull off your side cover, find your main 6-pin harness, plug it right in like that. Guess what? You're halfway there. So find a place to slip it in. Slips in right there. Button all that back up. All you have to do is turn your bike on to ignition. Well, before I button it up, I'm going to show you. Turn the bike on to ignition. All the green lights are lighting up. Bike's talking to the fuel pack's talking to the bike right now. Okay? So everything's lit up on this. That means that's working. So all you have to do is pull your phone out and then download the Vance Hines Fuelpack. Then I pull it up. We're going to do demo mode just because the bike's turned off at the moment. Click on whatever, there's all the bikes. Click on whatever bike you have. Today, I'm just going to use a 2020 114 Softail. From here, there's maps that are pre-mapped for your bike, for pipes and breather. I'll click on that and show you real quick. So there's Vance Hines, S&S. I mentioned that it's going to be a code reader for you from here on out, so you never have to go back to a dealership and get your codes read ever again. You can read them yourself and then decide what you're doing from there. It's going to also, if you use this feature, keep up on your services of your tires and your oil, which is also a great benefit. But as well, too, some bikes only have a speedometer, a gauge to tell you how hot the bike's getting. So this is also can read your sensors on your bike, and it's going to show you how much battery voltage you have, how hot your bike's getting, your speed, that's your tachometer, So for somebody that doesn't have that on their bike, this is also a great benefit. Not adding all those extra features, but just adding a phone mount and having it right there on your handlebars so you can see what's going on with your bike. running $399. Your standard tune from the motor company is running $299, and that's a one-time deal there. So for an extra $100, you're gonna get a tuner that does all those extra things, and it's gonna last you twice as long. Highly recommended. Probably the best thing out on the market right now, and come check it out.